How to fix Telegram code not sending problem on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Search button on top right corner of your screen. Then, search for Apps. You will find Apps and Notification. Click on Apps and Notification. Then simply go to See All Apps. In here, search for Telegram. After you find Telegram, click on Telegram. Force stop the app. Then go to Storage and Cache. Clear cache and clear storage. After you clear storage, simply open Telegram and try logging in again, and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Telegram code not sending problem on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Dog question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.